What happens if we do that? Hey, how y'all doing there? That's right. Oh, yeah. I can sense the need for some Christmas music, some holiday cheer. You feeling the need? Do you want some cowboys to sing to you? I can feel it. There's a need. Well, I only have one thing to say. You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid, Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it close. That's right. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer game. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, that's right, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. You would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudy join in any reindeer games. Yeah. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you come by my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved it as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Down in history. One more. You'll go down in history. Now we're talking. We are the Wandering Wranglers. You can find us if you look. You know what to do. You want to hear some more Christmas music? Yeah, there you are. I knew you'd show up eventually. Now I think you'll know this one. I think you'll know this one. And if you don't, you shortly will. 1, 2. Well, I'm dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Sound about tail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. That's right, well, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on the bobtails ring, making spirits bright. Fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells. Did you know that one? Yeah, I thought you would know that one. Now this one I'm not even going to attempt to sing. We're just going to play, and then we'll see if you recognize it afterwards. Christmas without you, I'll be so blue just thinking about you. Decorations of red on that green Christmas tree won't be the same, dear, if you're not here with me. And when those blue snowflakes start falling, that's when those blue teardrops start falling. Be doing alright with your Christmas so white. Well, have a blue Christmas. Now I sang that one, so I guess I gave it away. But you know that song was called White Christmas, so... Oh, they're not paying attention, it's fine. This one, though, it's a scary one. It's about a monster, but he's a friendly monster, so don't get scared. What you gonna do? Well, Frosty the Snowman was a jolly, happy soul. When a corn pop pipe, little button nose, 2 eyes made out of coal. Frosty the Snowman, Mary Ted, they said. Children say he could laugh and play just to pass the time away. Well, there must have been some magic in that old top hat they found. For when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Now Frosty the Snowman, alive as he could be. The children say he can laugh and play just the same as you or me. Go on! say he could laugh and play just the same as you or me. That's right, Frosty the Snowman, alive as he could be. And the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you or me. Thump it up now, thumpity-thump-thump, thumpity-thump-thump, look at old Frosty go. Thumpity-thump-thump, thumpity-thump-thump, over the fields of snow. Oh yeah, I can feel that. It feels like it's about to snow right now, doesn't it? I'm feeling, yeah. Oh, different kind of snow. I like the cold snow. Yeah, oh boy. But yeah, watch out, buddy. But you know, no matter what the snow looks like around, I'm always feeling jolly. Are you feeling jolly? Yeah, that's right. Are you feeling holly jolly? Yeah, maybe. Well, this song's for you, ma'am. Oh, this one's gonna be good. 1, 2, have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Well, I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas as you walk down the street. Say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Oh, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Come on! A jolly Christmas, best time of the year. I don't know gonna be any snow, but let's go grab a beer. Have a holly jolly Christmas as you walk down that street. Say hey hey to friends and say and everyone you meet. Hey oh ho, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Come on, yeah! Oh, I'm feeling good about this. Now I know it's you know these horrible Southern California weather days where it's just you just can't. Oh, it's actually very nice today. But I hear later it's going to be a horrible snowstorm. So when that's happening, you think about this. 1, 2, what you gonna do? Oh, the weather outside is frightful. Fire is so delightful. Lovely place to go. Let it snow, snow, snow. If it doesn't show signs of stopping, got me some corn for popping. Let's on the lamp down low. Let it snow, snow, snow. When we finally kiss goodnight. Oh, I hate going out in the storm. You really hold me tight. All the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying. My dear, we'll still be by you. Long as you love me so. Let it snow, snow, snow. lamps off. Oh, let it snow when we finally kiss goodnight. I hate going out the store. You really hold me tight. All the way home I'll be warm. Fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbying. As long as you love me so. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. That's right. Now you probably know, I bet, who's known all of these songs that we played? Every single one of them, maybe most of them. Well, yeah, I don't know if you knew any of them, no. But this next one, there's a very slim chance you know this one unless you've seen us play before. Well, pickle, 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 I really want a pickle. I can't. Okay, I'm in a whole different kind of pickle. Oh, okay, we're safe? Everyone okay? Okay, now back to the pickle. Okay, you know what it was? You know what it was? I don't know, I was hoping you knew. Okay, now I'm going to give it a little more respect. I'm going to be a little more jovial about it. I was being a little sad, I'm sorry. I was being just a sad lump. Oh. Oh, thank you. My man, everyone wave out to the trains. Everyone say goodbye to the train. Bye, number 41. Bye. We'll never see them again. It's the last time. Pickle, 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 I really want a pickle. I can't get the pickle out the jar. Pickle, 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 I really want a pickle. Can't get the pickle out the jar. Holy moly, I can't get the pickle out the jar. I ain't got a nickel for a pickle. Ain't got a quarter for the phone. I ain't got the dough to bread my butter. No, there ain't no chicken but the bone. I ain't got $1 for a holler. And box so I can shine some shoes. I'm flat broke for Christmas. And I ain't got nothing but the blues, that's right. Well, I ain't got nothing but the blues, Santa. I ain't got nothing but the blues. I'm flat broke for Christmas, and I ain't got nothing but the blues. Come on, boy. But the blues, baby, ain't got nothing but the blues. I'm flat broke for Christmas, I ain't got nothing but yeah. Santa ain't got nothing but the blues. I'm flat broke for Christmas and I ain't got nothing but the blue. Now you know, we are the Wandering Wranglers, that's right, and that was the pickle song. Now you know, it's going to be part of the Christmas canon from here out for you. You're going to miss it when you don't hear it. This next song, we're going way south. We're going into the Pacific Ocean. We're going deep. We're going to that place known for its Christmas magic. And here it is. See if you recognize it. We're not going to sing it. This is a test. got Luca Pino over here on the lead guitar. The legend himself. He's so Western, he's Southern. Nice boots. I like the fringe on your. You're like a leather extras. I thought those were your shoelaces, but then I said, wait. We got Gareth Price on the drum here. Hey. You may recognize him, you may not. We got Nick over here on the bass. That's right. Laying it thick. Yeah, thick neck we call him. And I'm Marcus, and we are the Wandering Wranglers. Thank you. Now this she likes Wranglers. So this whole show is pretty much a testament and a tribute to the great singing Christmas cowboy himself, Gene Autry. So this next song is one that he made quite famous, if he don't say so himself. And he's not going to because he's dead. 1, 2, yep, hey. Yeah, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Sitting, blitzing, and all them reindeer pulling on the rein. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. Jump in bed and cover your head, Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys, with boys and girls again. Hear them sleigh bells jingle jangle, oh what a beautiful sight. That's right, jump in bed and cover your head, Santa Claus comes tonight. Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Cinnamon sitting all them reindeer, pulling on the rein. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. Jump in bed and cover your head, Santa Claus come tonight. Well, children singing, bells are ringing, all is merry and bright. Jump in bed, cover your head, cause Santa Claus comes tonight. I said, jump in bed, cover your head, cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Thank you, folks. We have been the Wandering Wranglers. It's been a pleasure. We'll be back here at 4 o'clock. Have fun out there. Stay warm.